Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. 69 minutes video covering many markets. I will be introducing a special offer, 50% off for the first year, and I'll be providing details at the end of this clip. So if you're interested, please stay on. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have good trading, good week. Bye now. This is the chart of gold on the 5-minute scale. I have not seen any serious signal in the last several weeks here to make me abandon my idea that after this big slide that we have seen here, that I took to be an A, the price action here is most likely a B. I really don't see any reason why I should abandon that. That looks to be working. It's just that it is of course a very tortuous kind of price action with lots of twists and turns, and some would say even boring price action. Yes, it's being stuck here in a range of $30–40, not doing really much, but that is the nature of a B that is shaping into a triangle here. Okay, we just have to take what Mr. Market gives us and work with it. We have an A, we have a B. Presumably we have a C here, and we are working on the D. That is calling for weakness short term. Okay, to go down under that, that will terminate an A, B, C like that. Could be even more complex than that if you ask me, but that will do. Yeah, the tiny triangle here should not lead to a pop above this level. If it does not necessarily mean we are going there. Just to be clear, I don't think we're going there, although we could actually pop above this level. And again, this is not a guarantee that we will immediately go there. It can very well be the case that this will happen. That will be your A, that will be a B, it'll pop up in a C like that, so you'll have A, B, C, and that will be your B like that, so that's an A. That's an A, B, C, B, and then plunge. Do you see? So do not assume that as soon as it runs above this level, which comes at 1305 or so, that you automatically have an express train back to 1355 or higher. No, it may not necessarily be the case. And of course, if it stays in the tight range that I'm showing you here, life would be a lot easier for the bears. Yeah, it would just go in the process of delivering further ABC, etc., until it completes the entire structure of the A, B, C, D, E, and then the plunge. And then the serious plunge, here's the 60 minutes, the serious plunge that we have been waiting for quite some time now. That's the 60 minutes. That is preparing, as far as I can see, for a plunge towards 1200 or so. Okay, this zone. So currently I don't see any change in the fortunes of gold, boring to looking down. Here's silver. Silver is showing us here on the 60 minutes that the idea of the triangle is alive and well. You can see all these very short-term ABC, etc., all over the place. There are quite a lot of ways in which you can subdivide it. You can spend hours and hours just on this chart. But in essence, the message is the same like in the case of gold. We came down here in a 5-wave run that I take as an A. The entire structure here is mounting basically a fairly boring, complex B. This is an A, that's a B, that's a C, D, E, one option, but more likely like this is a C. That will coincide with the structure that we have in gold, and I reach this C by doing the following. I take this as an ABC A, and then I have A, B, C, D, E. That gives me a B, okay? And that's the jump C. So I have right from the bottom of the B, I have an A. I have this triangle B and I have the jump C. That gives me an A, B, C that completes my C on the blue scale. So I have an A, I have a B, I have a C, and I'm now looking for the D to shape up possibly as an A, B, C like that. Okay, so the target short term is roughly 1660, okay, around here. And this is a critical level for you to watch. Obviously, this is 1746, and this is also an important level for you to watch short term, 1738. 1738, any rally like that will necessitate reviewing the wave count that I'm showing you here. A rally through this level will almost certainly suggest that we have witnessed A, and this should be taken as a B, what you see here, and the surge that will go through this level should be taken as a C. I want to show you here on the 2-hour scale what that would look like. You see, here's a 2-hour scale, that's your A, so that will be your A. If you're dealing with a triangle, okay, so that will be your B, and it'll surge in a C like that. That's A, B, C, and then it'll come down. Okay, you follow? That is exactly the same explanation that I provided in the case of gold with that ABC, and then down again in that big C. In this case, it's going to be the C on the black scale. So my B on the black scale will terminate somewhere around here, and then I would look for silver to reverse and break decisively under 16.3. Again, a rally above this level, 17.4, so 1747. This peak that you see here is not an invitation for an express train taking you down. Please remember, the odds are against that. Okay, that's my reading at the point. I could be wrong, of course. What I'm doing here with this analysis is mapping the odds and really looking carefully at several options that I think are most likely. That's all we can do. Mr. Market is the decision maker here, and the executor. We are not in a position to really influence by one iota what's happening here on the chart. Hello, I am back here with some details about the special offer. You have to go on my website. It's www.wavemastery.com, and you land on my homepage. There are a few tabs here you may want to experiment looking a bit, a few articles here. What this website is about, is this website for me, psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? You can run through some of these articles. This is the section where if you're interested in the special offer, you should go here, and there is tab special promotional offer. You click on that. It opens the page, it gives you all the details. It expires on the 11th of December. Essentially what's going on, I'm going to allow you, if you're interested, of course, to go for 50% off for the first year. So if it's the daily service, that's going to be, instead of 159 per month, only 79 per month, plus VAT if it's applicable. It's applicable usually only to people who come from Europe. If you are, for example, from, oddly enough, if you are from Belgium, the UK, you don't pay. The other European countries you pay, and the various countries are listed here. Okay, if you are from Greece, for example, Ireland, Portugal, you check this one for the daily service. And then you click on subscribe. It takes you to the payment page. You see here, it starts with $9.99 for the first 7 days. It's just the trial. Okay, if you like what you see, after 7 days you don't do anything. It just picks up you charges every month for 12 months. You would have the thing running for 7. If you are from Portugal, yeah, you remember. So the VAT is added. That's 97.17 for 12 installments. Yes, so each month you'll be paying that. But if you are from the US, Australia, the rest of the world, you'll be just paying 79 and not a penny more. That is the payment pages go straight to my account. If you are interested in the weekend service, then you scroll down. The weekend service has also a trial, 2 weeks trial, costs only $4.99. And it's also cut by 50%. Instead of 59 per month, only 29 per month. And again, you can have this price for 12 months, basically the first year. And the VAT is also applicable here if you are from Europe. Otherwise, again, if you are UK, USA, Belgium, other non-EU countries, you pay only 29. And I suggest you read the instructions here. If you have any question, don't hesitate, get in touch with me. Here's the form. You just write your name, make sure you get the right email address written here, otherwise I won't be able to get back to you. Your message, whatever the issue is, go through this simple math, submit, and I'm getting it. I'll check it and reply. I'm based in Belgium, so if you write to me and you are from Australia or from the US, so please don't be surprised if it is it's going to take me a few hours to react, because I might be resting. Okay, so that is as far as the special promotion offer is concerned. You can you can find this tab also under resources. Under resources is right at the bottom here. Okay, so there are two places you can find it, here or under subscribe here. Don't go for this, that's the normal price. Your subscription will kick into place once you subscribe. You will see the tab here turning into your daily subscription, or sorry, the weekend subscription. It will simply describe what you are accessing. In resources, there are a lot of charts under chart galleries. If you're interested, you will see charts that cover various markets. They go back to some the 1970s, etc. And I put some work into the analysis, presenting the different wave counts possible in these charts. So it's quite interesting if you are really a fan of looking at all charts, etc. Could be quite instructive. Useful links, speaks for itself. Recommended reading list. I put in quite a lot of books, but I should put really more basic elementary books that I think are really necessary if you are totally new to trading. And even if not, there are some interesting books here that you might want to explore and check. Private policy, terms of use, very standard. I never share you email with anyone. Not my business. I'm not getting into these kind of things. And that's basically it. If again, if you have any issue, please don't hesitate. Get in touch with me, and I'll see what is the question. I'll do my best to help you. Other than that, I hope to see you on my website. I hope you have pleasant experience. My circle of subscribers, where I'm still at a fairly, if you like, family kind of basis, meaning I can relate to you person to person. If you have a question, even when you are a subscriber, you have a question, you have an issue, you have a position, and you want to have my opinion, I will give you my opinion, but I don't give personal opinion. So it's going to be simply, you're going to ask me what is the current position, etc. in this market, what would you do? And I will simply tell you from the technical point of view what I would do if I were in your shoes. So that's not personal, that's simply reviewing a market for you and stating my opinion, and you do, of course, what you find is right in your circumstances. Other than that, I wish you have a great week and good trading.